Welcome to this tutorial on how to make sure only your friends can see your phone number on Facebook. In today's digital age, privacy is more important than ever, and controlling who can access your personal information is crucial. Let's walk through the steps to ensure that your phone number remains private and visible only to those you trust. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu where you can access various settings and features. Scroll down through the menu options until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on this, and then select Settings from the next screen. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can manage different aspects of your account. Under the Accounts Center section, tap on Personal Details. This is where you can view and edit information related to your account, including your contact details. Now, tap on Contact Info and locate your phone number. Once you've found it, tap on the number itself. You'll then see an option to manage its visibility across different platforms. Tap on Facebook Account, and then select Change Visibility on Facebook. Here, you'll have the option to choose who can see your phone number. To ensure that only your friends can view it, select Friends from the available options. This setting will restrict access to your phone number, making it visible only to those you've connected with on Facebook. By following these steps, you're taking a significant step towards protecting your privacy and ensuring that your personal details remain secure. Remember, controlling who can see your information is key to maintaining a safe online presence. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in securing your Facebook profile.